That's old Mickey boy. Look at him. Look at him. He's on the lake, isn't he? What are you doing? What's the plan, Nick?
The elite chod.
Go on then, show us. You've got 10 minutes and then you get your rods out.
Yeah.
Are you allowed to talk about that?
When you got a body like that, of course
We'll see. Is that
12 mil block.
it's going to do the job, isn't it? All set up, ready for the comp, Nick?
Yeah, of course.
Let's have a look at the weed. It's weedy, isn't it? You like it like that? I like a bit of weed as well. Look at him set up, look. He don't mess about on Mickey boy, does he? He breaks the rules already got a sneaky one, right? Look at him.
You're my friend.
Is that for the front cast?
This is because
Yeah? Any
it's me.
rule?
Use them.
Nick, between me and you, any rule breaking?
Every rule.